My name is Ethan Lane. Today I'll be presenting buttons in chronology. Sorry, that. My goal is to make LEDs big on and off using 2 buttons. I designed my road to have 2 buttons, and both of the buttons turn on the LED at different rates. I'm just gonna put this. So the top part right here, the top part is where it sits up and then the bottom part, the watching part, it senses which buttons are gonna be pressed. Tested about 20 times. If I were to make this project better, I would use it as a light switch in houses and cancel the speed. And by the way, for the speed, it was for rate speed, if you don't know. And here's a demonstration. Takes a while, I guess. This is my code, as you saw earlier, and this is my project. So here's how it works. If you just
you can just leave it on the table.
yeah, so somehow it's not working right now.
Did you turn it on?
Huh?
Did you turn on the program?
I did.
F5.
Oh,
There you go.
yeah, so if you press one button, like this button, it turns it on at 0. It turns each LED on at 1/10 of a second. But for this button, well, sometimes it gets unplugged. I'm not gonna do it because one of them just got unplugged. If you do this one, like I said, different rates, this one instead is going to do 1 out of 100 of a second. I think that's it. Any questions?
What's the hardest part?
The hardest part was actually making the rates and the coding as well. It's making the speed. Any more? No?
If you had more time, what would you add to your project?
What I would add is that I would also add a third button if they have invented like a breadboard that has 3 5 voltages, but it only has 2. So I wouldn't do that yet until it has until a breadboard has been invented with. A Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi has been invented with 3 5 voltages instead of 2.
Okay. Any other questions? All right, let's give a round of applause.